Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Denis, and today I am going to present on the topic of software quality metrics. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Let's discuss what measurement, what measures, and what metrics. Measurement is the act of obtaining a measure, whereas measure provides a quantitative induction of the size of some product or process attribute, for example, number of errors. And the matrix is a quantitative measure of the degree to which a system, component, or process possesses a given attribute. IEEE Software Engineering Standard 1993. For example, number of errors found per person hours expended. Uh, what to measure? Process, project, and product. In process, measure the efficiency of processes, what works, what does not. Uh, in project, assesses the status of project, track risk, identify problem areas, adjust workflow. In product, measure predefined product attributes. Process metrics. Process metrics are measure of the software development process, such as overall development time, type of methodology used. Process metrics are collected across all projects and are over long period of time. Their intent is to provide indicators that lead to long-term software process improvement. Project metrics. Project metrics are the measure of software project and are used to monitor and control the project. Project metrics usually show how project manager is able to estimate schedule and cost. They enable a software project manager to minimize the development time by making the adjustment necessary to avoid delays and potential problems and risks, assesses product cost on an ongoing basis, and modify the technical approach to improve cost estimation. Product metrics. Product metrics are measure of the software product at any stage of its development, from a requirement to install system. Product metrics may measure how easy is the software to use, how easy is the user to maintain, the quality of software documentation, and many more. Why do we measure? Determine quality of piece of software or documentation. Determine the quality work of people such software engineers, programmer, programmers, database administrators, and most importantly, managers. Improve quality of product, project, and process. To assess the benefit derived from new software engineering method and tools. And to close the gap of any problem, for example, training, to help justify requests for new tool or additional training. Examples of metric usage. Measure estimation skills of project managers, schedule and budget. Measure software engineers' requirements, analyze design skills. Measure programmers' work quality. Measure testing quality, and much more. IEEE definition of software quality metrics. Uh, Number one, a quantitative measure of the degree to which an item possesses a given quality attribute. Number two, a function whose input are software data and whose output is a single numerical value that can be interpreted as the degree to which the software possesses a given quality attribute. The main objectives of software quality metrics. Uh, facilitate management control, planning, and managerial intervention based on deviation of actual from planned performance, deviation of actual timetable, and budget performance from planned. Number two, identify situation from development or maintenance process improvement, preventive or corrective actions based on accumulation of metrics information regarding the performance of team, unit, etc. Software size measures. KLO classic metrics that measure the size of software by thousand of code lines. Number of function points NFP, a measure of the development resources, human resources are required to develop a program based on the functionality specified for the software system. Process metrics categories. Following are the process metric categories: software process quality metrics, software process timetable metrics, software processes error removal, effectiveness metrics, software process um, productive metrics. Is KLO enough? What about number of errors? What about type of errors? A mixture of Kellogg density and severity is an ideal quality metrics to programmers' quality of work and performance. An example, two different project programmers are working on two similar modules. Programmer A produced 432 errors during software process before release, and the programmer B produced 184 errors. Which programmer do you think is better? It's really depend on the type of errors found, severity, and not only the number of errors density. One error of high severity might be more important than hundred of other type of errors. Uh, Conclusion. Testing is an important part of the development process. With the help of metrics, we can measure the quality of product. It depends also on the developers as well as like same as on the metrics efficiency. We should choose professionals who follow the SOPs and do properly task. We need a quality product that will attract consumer and raise their agreement. Thank you.